Hello students, let us continue our topic of trigonometry. Today we will learn trigonometric identities. Now see, we will study about trigonometric identities. See students, we know that an equation is called an identity when it is true for all the values of the variables involved. Okay, this is the case for an equation. Similarly, an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called a trigonometric identity. So let me repeat, an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called a trigonometric identity, and if it is true for all the values of the angles involved. And in this topic we will prove one trigonometric identity and use it further to prove other useful trigonometric identities. First we will learn how we will prove trigonometric identities, and after learning one trigonometric identity then we will proceed to the other identity. See here, this is our right angle triangle ABC. Okay, so to learn the identity, we know that in a right angle triangle ABC, hypotenuse square is equals to what? Perpendicular square plus base square. So we can write what? We can write AC square is equals to AB square plus what? BC square. That we know. Okay, now see, as we know that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, so see here, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now see, for using identity we can do one thing, that let us divide all the term by AC. Okay, so see, let us divide all the term by what? AC square. This is AC square, AE square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. This AC square now see, after dividing this whole term by AC square, so AC square by AC square is equals to AB square by AC square plus BC square by what? AC square. So this get cancelled. This is equals to 1. AB square by AC square. Please you tell here, AB square by AC square. Can we write here sine square A? Okay, and BC square, this one, BC square by AC square. Can we write cos square A? Okay, so look here. AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equals to AC square by AC square. So here, this we can write cos square A plus sine square A is equals to 1. So this is our first identity, cos square A plus sine square A is equals to 1. Okay, so and after using this we can write 3 or 4 property, as here it is written cos square, or you can write sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Okay, can we write here sine square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A? Okay, similarly we can write here cos square A is equals to how much? 1 minus sine square A. Now see student, this I am telling because we have to solve questions related to this, and what you have to do sometimes in question, at the place of 1 you can use sine square A plus cos square A, or you can write sine square theta plus cos square theta. Similarly, at the place of 1 minus cos square A, you can use sine square A, or at the place of cos square A, you can also use 1 minus sine square A. Okay, now see here, you can do one more thing. Here you have written sine square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A. So according to situation we will put the values. So you can write sine A is equals to what? Root under 1 minus cos square A. So using all this property we will solve the problems. Similarly, our next identity is here 1 plus 10 square a is equals to sec square a. 1 plus 10 square a is equals to sec square a. See how this comes. In the previous we have divided all the term by what? AC square. In this we will divide all the term by AB square. So AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square is equals to AC square by AB square. So AB by AB is 1, and from the figure BC by AB, from the figure BC by AB, what we write? BC by AB, we can write this. See, here we are taking angle A. If we will take C, then this part will change. So here, as we are taking here angle A, okay. So in this case 1 plus 10 square a is equals to sec square a, and this you can write as here 10 square a is equals to what? Sec square a minus 1, or you can write sec square a minus 10 square a is equals to how much? 1. Is that okay? Similarly, our next identity is here cot square a is equals to 1 plus cosec square a. Here what I am telling, cot square a is equals to cot square a plus 1 is equals to cosec square a. So see, here what we will do, from that triangle we will divide all the term by BC. So BC square, so AB by BC is AB square by BC square, BC square by BC square is equals to AC square by BC square. So here this one BC by BC get cancelled, and AB by BC from the figure, AB by BC, look here, AB by BC, as we are taking this one. So here AB by BC is equals to how much? Cot square a plus 1 is equals to cosec square 1. So this is our another identity, and you can write here cosec square a minus cot square a is equals to 1, or cot square a is equals to cosec square a minus 1. Now see, using all these properties we will solve problem. Okay, and we will start our problem in the next class. Here you have seen with one formula we are getting 4 or 5 formula. So in the next class we will solve all the problems related to it. Okay, so this much for this class, and rest in the next class. Till then, have a good day.